now before we meet the dog, so you know, our anxieties are running high at the moment. We don't know what to expect. You know, we just hope they're not as bad as some that we've seen, so we'll keep you posted. Watch this space. Right, well, we didn't manage to get any footage of collecting the dogs. We were very shocked at the state they were in. They total silence in the car home. All we could smell was vomit and excrement, and that's kind of what we're covered in at the moment. Never mind the car, as you can see. But the dogs are safe, and we've just pulled up at the vet's now. The vet's just dealing with an emergency, and he's going to come out to us in just a moment. Look, looks like a puppy, doesn't it? Somebody's been trying to breed teacups. This little boy is quite old. Do you want to see the state of his teeth? They're just so traumatised. They're just so traumatised. But this is day one for them. This is what we do. This is why we do it. But they're not going to get away with this. They're not going to get away with this. Yeah. This goes further now.
So here's Lou, one of our fosterers, who's kindly agreed to take 3 of the new dogs. So in our arms we have Vixen, Venus and Jenna, the first day of the rest of their lives.